Imagine a world where project managers not only save 30% on lodging costs, but also produce well-being and productivity. Welcome to the strategic advantages of corporate housing. In today's world, productivity and well-being are hot topics when it comes to employee satisfaction. And yet as a company, we still need to be looking for value-add options that help the bottom line of the company as well. And this is where corporate housing is so important. Corporate housing is well known for bringing the cost of lodging down as much as 30%, while at the same time providing spaces for well-being, less stress while people are away from their homes when they're working, as well as the flexibility that you need when job demands change. I've talked in the past about the benefits of corporate housing in terms of one-time cost, no added fees on top of that. You pay for one and you've covered everything. Many times too, keep in mind that with corporate housing, they can find spaces that are near to where you're working or as close as you can get to working. The home-like environment helps people relax so that they become more efficient in their work and they are energized for the next day when they've had a home-like place to stay in. So as you're approaching your finance department or your budget director, keep these things in mind as you're discussing the strategic advantage that corporate housing has for your project that makes for better satisfied employees, more productive employees, and better yet, saves the company money. So if you've gotten this far into the video, I'm assuming that you've made the decision that you want to use corporate housing for your project. But you may still have some people in the budgeting or finance office that need convincing. So here are some things you can take with you when you go speak to them to show them the advantages of working with corporate housing as opposed to traditional hotels. The first thing you want to draw their attention to is the hardline item, the bottom line cost of what they've projected or budgeted for the project. When you're in that conversation with them, you can point out that corporate housing versus hotel on a day-to-day basis is typically cheaper than hotel costs overall, particularly if you have more than one employee inside an apartment. In a 3-bedroom apartment, depending on your budget, you can potentially put as many as 6 people in one apartment, each with their own space, their own bed to sleep in, as well as home-like accommodations in their kitchen and the living area. Second, you want to show that your time is being protected by using corporate housing. Because corporate housing incorporates all utilities, all expenses associated with lodging into one bill, you only have one bill to track, as opposed to multiple bills in order to make sure that the lodging is being taken care of properly. Show this to your finance person and let them know that that gives you the ability to use your energy and your time on the project and saving the company money because now you have more energy just to focus on getting the work done as opposed to tracking the expenses associated with lodging. Finally, you want to draw their attention to employee productivity. Employees who are living in a more home-like environment are more relaxed and therefore they're able to tackle challenges better, tackle their work better, make better decisions, and often the same employees are going to be the ones who are going to help the company accomplish the project ahead of the project deadline, therefore saving extra on budget. So no matter what you're bringing to the finance department, this 3-pronged approach can help you with whatever project that you're working on that you need to talk to the budget people. 1, making sure you're looking at the hard line for the budget people. 2, what you want to do is going to improve your performance for the company. And 3, how the company is going to benefit overall. If you found this information beneficial, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the little bell so you are notified the next time we put new content out. Ciao!